don't need to knock on wood to know you'll love our Summer 2017 update. The first new feature of the Summer 2017 update is the wood deck system. Found in the newly renamed Hardscapes and Deck stage, this feature offers a variety of new options to create wood decks. Simply draw your shape in 2D and click on the Wood Deck button to create one. You can switch shapes between hardscapes and wood decks at any time. In 3D, we'll see our wood deck. To adjust its appearance, simply double-click on any given section. On top we have surface boards, miter boards, and divider boards. On the side, we'll see both fascia and skirt. Underneath, we'll see joists, beams, and posts. As we double-click on each, we see the menu on the right update to show all of the available options. We can even click on the various sections in the panel menu to switch as well. VIP 3D and VizTerra users will have access to all settings, while Pool Studio will see the majority of these settings available. For more information about the Wood Decks feature, review our Wood Decks blog and accompanying tutorial video. Staircases have been updated with new settings. When inserted, they'll stay 4 feet wide instead of expanding to cover the entire side of the shape. And new stringer options are also available to help complete your wood deck designs. We've also made it easier than ever to add railing to your shapes. With the wood deck or hardscape selected, we can quickly generate railing that will even follow attached staircases. In the walls, fences, and railing stage, we can add railing to hardscapes, wood decks, and custom shapes as well. And shapes created here can now be linked together, so they will automatically appear on top and move when the base shape is moved. And lastly, the wood category and materials has been updated with new options and categories, and the original categories have been updated with new higher quality looks and reorganized as well. The next new feature of the summer update is 3D measurements. Simply select the measure guide in the panel or press C on the keyboard and you can measure distance and height in 3D. Double-click to quickly add a 3D measurement or select specific points to measure. Once you place your second point, you'll see guidelines matching the color of the 3D gizmo when you hover over the second point. These show you which direction your measurements can be pulled. Following the blue line moves the measurement up and down, while the red or green will bring us side to side. For more information about 3D measurements, please review our 3D measurements blog and the accompanying tutorial video. Matching up materials like tiles on raised areas can be time-consuming, but with the summer update, we do the hard work for you. Materials will now automatically align themselves across the faces of your pools, spas, and hardscapes. To update existing files that you've already panned, simply reset the surface, and then return to 3D to take advantage of this new feature. The popular GIS service sees a few enhancements as well. First, you can now select what content you download when searching for an address. Simply check or uncheck options such as angled imagery or parcel line. We sometimes need to rotate or pan the GIS image once inserted. The software will now prompt you to generate the terrain once the image has been adjusted, ensuring it matches the new location of the image. In the pool stage, the single pool slope feature has been updated to allow measurements down to 1 inch. Simply select the depth point and move it to take advantage of the new 1-inch setting. And spillovers are easier to adjust as well. Click and drag the new points on spillovers to adjust the size of the water feature in a single direction. House roofs see an updated setting for the pitch angle. Use the new slope setting to quickly change the roof pitch to standard values, or click the R to use the previous angle setting. And for our AutoCAD users, custom shapes rotated in 3D will now export as their 2D overhead appearance when viewed in AutoCAD software. And menus such as the library or snaps and constraints that are pinned opened or moved to a new location on the screen will now remember their custom location when the software is first opened. Several new features and enhancements can now be found in the construction phase. First, you can now move anything to a custom markup layer. Simply select the shapes or items you want and click the new Move To button in the panel menu. You can create a new layer, such as existing hardscapes, or select any existing custom layer you've already added. You can also move the content back to its original layer as well. Layers can also be hidden directly in the panel menu as well. Clicking the eye symbol will immediately hide or display the layer, instead of having to use the Hide/Unhide menu. We also give you the new option to display your measurements in black instead of the shape's assigned line color. Simply change the setting in the menu, and all future measurements will default to black. And callout arrows can now be rotated directly in the construction markup stage, instead of having to return to previous stages. And if you're a fan of renaming callouts or content in the legends, the summer update will help save you some time. Once changed, the software now asks if you'd like to change all matching callouts and legends as well. Speaking of legends, a new option will now automatically hide content you've hidden in earlier stages. Simply check the box to have the content hidden, or remove the checkmark to always display everything in the selected categories. And new to page layout, quickly insert a logo on your page. Adding a logo here will automatically add it to the project information screen as well if you don't already have the logo added. And the popular scale setting from the spring update now has font options available to customize the scale's appearance. And standard printer paper sizes are now available in page layout menus as well. New in the library, animated color-changing bubblers and laminar jets are now available. The new water features will even sync up automatically with the color-changing pool and spotlights. And in the characters category, we'll find 6 new standing adults, helpful for adding a scale to the 3D world. Also found in the characters category are new silhouettes. These solid character models offer a new artistic way to show your clients how their space will feel once it's built. In the Fountains and Statues category, we'll see 16 updated scuppers available, and an improved look for the existing walk pots. And in the House Decor library, we'll find 20 new doors. We'll see new categories for rustic doors, as well as ornamental doors, with both options available in both 80-inch and 96-inch. VizTerra and VIP 3D members will see 24 new plants and trees added to the library, including 8 new topiary options. And finally, Pool Studio and VIP 3D members will see an updated barrier reef vendor package containing 38 of their pool and spa shapes. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy all the new features found in the 2017 summer update. If you have any questions or feedback, you can reach us at 800-778-8996 or email support@structurestudios.com.